All right, so maybe you teach littles and you want to be able to create a hub or one place, one bookmark, one link that your students can go to and they can access everything else that they need. So here's what you would do. I'm going to open a brand new Google slide and I'm going to insert pictures of all the services or websites or places that my littles, like K1s, would need to go to in order to kind of navigate the web and make things easier for them. So we'll have these good visual cues. But the other benefit is that we'll generate one link that goes to this slide. And then if you choose to update the slide or remove things or add things, it automatically updates for all your students as well. So this is good if you're not using a service like Clever or something else and you need like a link that you need to share. You need to share out links with your students. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get pictures of whatever sites or services you want to use. I'm going to use Raz Kids as my example. So I found a picture online, saved it. So you might want to do some back end work first to get all the things you want. If you want to do pictures only, you can do pictures only. If you want to go in and add text explaining what it is, that's fine too. Whatever kind of visual cues work best for you and your students. If you want to do like colored squares around them, so you can say, click on the blue square or the pink square, whatever works for you in your classroom. So honestly, I think keeping it simple, very easy to navigate visually works better. Can you do this with a Bitmoji classroom? Yes. When you're dealing with littles, though, it could be a lot going on visually and very distracting for them. So in this case, we're doing very pared down, very simple. So I've got the icon for Raz Kids. I would put anything else I might need here too. Any math software, reading interventions, things like that. Go ahead and click on this, and we want to link it out to our website. So let me first grab the website, copy, go back here, link it in, and apply. So now when a student clicks on this, it's going to take them to the Raz Kids website. Now, if you need to go to a specific login page or something like that, make sure you use that you're logging out to that. The less clicks, the better, basically, when it comes to littles. So make that as direct as you can. And then once you do that, now you see we click on it and it like selects and it wants to resize it and move it around. What we're going to do is we're going to actually publish this slide to the web. So we're going to go to File, and my picture is in the way. Whoops, let's move Jenny over. Okay, File, publish to the web. And then I don't usually mess with these settings. I just hit publish. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. And we're going to copy this link. I'll move myself back. And then in a new tab, we are going to paste our presentation. And you can see, there it is, move myself over. This is what the students would see when they go to your link. They would just see a clean page. They want to go to Raz Kids, see how my icon, my cursor changes to the little pointer finger. I click on it. It takes me to the Raz Kids website. So you do that for anything you want kids to go to. And then what you share with them is this link is what you're going to bookmark. So we've copied it. We've gone to the actual site. The easiest way, if you're like going into student accounts and doing this manually, just click on that little star for them, hit add bookmark. And then if you want to change the name of this to your name, or just put like kindergarten or whatever it is, kindergarten links, and then hit done, it would show up at the top here. That way it might make it easier if students are going home, families need to access it. They would say, oh, kindergarten links or Mrs. Leban's class or whatever it is that would be there. So that students could get to it easily, and you could tell them like, click on the link with the yellow square up at the top. So the best part about this is that when you go in on your end over here and you change these links, change these pictures around, do whatever you need to do, the students are always using that same link in their toolbar, and it's updated for them. You just update it on your back end. You don't need to republish it or anything. It's right there. Easy peasy for them. They don't need to see what happens in the background. You get it all set the way that you want. And then you always have this clean page of links or things for your students to navigate to. So you could change this as often as every day if you want, every week, every month, or set it once and leave it alone. So hope that helps. Good luck with those littles. They're a handful.